So, what percentage of your salary should you invest? Do you want to invest in mutual funds but are not sure about that? Hi there, welcome to another exciting episode of Sip Easy. Today, we will talk about one of the most common questions when it comes to SIP. We all want to have a better lifestyle, and that bundle with rising costs has made it necessary for investors to consider solutions such as mutual funds. And what better way to invest in mutual funds than SIP? But most of us are usually unsure about what percentage of our salaries should go towards SIP. Today, let me simplify that for you. Now, even though two people might earn the same, the percentage of salary that they can spare for SIP in mutual funds may vary depending on multiple factors. While there is no correct answer to this question, the most commonly recommended guideline is 50-30-20 rule. What this means is that 50% of your money should go towards your basic needs, such as food, rent, healthcare, clothes, etc. 30% should go towards your wants, such as entertainment, holidays, eating out, ordering food, etc. And the remaining 20% should be your savings. For example, if Alok is earning 2 lakh rupees a month, then ideally he may allocate 40,000 rupees towards SIP. However, there is no hard and fast rule or an exact formula to decide how much one should be investing through an SIP. As a thumb rule, one must consider the financial goals, risk profile, and investment duration carefully, and then take help of a financial advisor for personalized advice. Just remember, SIP भी जिंदगी की तरह है. The better the plan and execution, the higher the chances of achieving goals in a disciplined manner. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more about SIP, an investor education and awareness initiated by HDFC Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.